So hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today I'm going to show you more videos about Flux.one because I just discovered this really good website called like Spaces, like HuggingFace.co, and it has a lot of really good image generation, AI image generation models, but today we're using Flux.one dash now. I think this is the free version. We're just gonna put the a prompt here. I see it's very fast. Also, I use it to sign my account. This is actually free, so we can just type anything that we want. So we can just run this very complicated image right here. We're just gonna wait for GPU to be available. I see here, it's very good. We also have advanced settings right here. You can randomize the seed, width and stuff like that. The good thing about Flux.one.Schnell is it's free, so you can just type what you want. And there's also a really good flux generator right here. You also have Forest Labs. You can use this one, but it is paid, and this one too is paid. So we're using Flux.one. We can make whatever you want here, like a prompt, which is pretty cool. You can just custom input subject, male, female, disable option, photography, let's say art. I want art. I want back view, young woman as a Greek god with French braids, pink dress. We're gonna change that to just gonna pick a random one here, which is the blue crop top. We're gonna pick something a little bit more family friendly. This looks good. Composition, lush greenery. There we go. Neoclassicism, stuff like that. Generate prompt. We're just gonna copy this. We're gonna paste it here, and we're just gonna wait for it. Let's see how it's gonna look like. And there we go. That's pretty cool. Like, it looks the same, but we're gonna change the hair by using this body type. Let's say, uh, hmm, pretty. There we go. Pretty young woman as a Norse god with curly hair. There we go. And a place at beach, hidden city in the forest. Let's go. So generate the prompt right there. We're just gonna copy this again, and we're just gonna paste this again by here. So we're just gonna wait for it. As you see here, I'm getting GPU, but it's not that much. So that's pretty cool. We have a blackface version. I did put art, but it's okay. So you can also check out some stuff right here on Spaces. You can pick a model of AI image generation that you want on Black Forest Labs right here. So there's like flux.one.dev, generate image text prompts, detailed image painting, flux control, stuff like that. It's pretty cool. You can also check some other models here. So you have audio to text, image to text. It's a lot of good things. It's worth if you explore it yourself. But we're just using Flux right now, which is pretty cool. So I'm pretty sure you can get Ghibli version. There we go. So the popular spaces of the week, we have Ghibli, Gemini 3D code drawing. We also have avatar model, high quality image generation, 3D texture. Also a lot of it actually. We're gonna do easy control Ghibli. We're just gonna paste this, and there we go. That's our prompt, and we're just gonna generate that image right there. Runtime error. We gotta wait for a bit. There we go. Error again. It's a note here that it's a bit harder because we are putting a really complicated prompt here. But we're just gonna wait for it to process. So it's 28 seconds. We can check out this one also. We have Segmine, image generation. Try the model in real time. Tech conference. When you paste this one and like generate. Oh, we're gonna log in first. Okay, hold up. We're gonna log in our Google account. We're just gonna press continue right here. And there we go. Generate. We're just gonna wait for it here. Premium models. Oh, that sucks. Okay. I'm pretty sure there's a free model here on Flux Remind. So we have VO2. This is the featured model right here. So that's pretty cool. We can try it in the playground. We can generate this video of the pre-written prompt. So that's cool. That's a panda. It's swimming. That's cool. We can also check out the thing, how it's error. Or you just pick a pre-made here. It's much easier. If you are insistent on trying to generate a certain image or like a prompt, you just gotta keep trying, or make a simple one. Just drag and drop the photo you want. So we're just gonna Ghiblify version of Speed and Ronaldo. So we're just gonna wait for a bit and see what's up with this one. How about let's try this one? Cowboy. I need a cowboy that is riding a horse, then throws a green emerald ball at a rock. There we go. So we're just gonna generate that and try and generating this if it's good or if it's paid. We have errors here. We have rate limited. That sucks. Okay, we're just gonna wait for this one. There we go. That's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, that is Flux right here, or also Hugging Faces. You can use that. So here's my tutorial for the day. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like that video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.